done? My dogs are going insane right now. Are y'all done? You feel better? Did you get it all out? Yeah? You want to say hi? The little one wants to say hi. You say hi. You say hi, boo. We smell. We smell. You say hi. Say hi. Oh, say hi. Oh. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Sam. If you're new here, well then welcome to the video. As you can see from the thumbnail, there goes my words again. As you can see from the thumbnail, this will be a FABFITFUN unboxing. It's my very first FABFIT box. I did have a starter box, and then by accident, I accidentally got the FABFITFUN box, the big one. Okay, so it's a long story, but anyway. Now I have the FABFITFUN box, so let's see if it's something I want to keep or get rid of. A starter box was really good. I used a lot of the products in it, so I obviously wear the necklace every day since I got it. I love this necklace. I wish it was gold, but it's super cute. I love the iridescence to it. But anyway, so that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be unboxing the FABFITFUN winter box. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. It's a button down below. I'm only at 70 something right now. My channel is very itsy bitsy teensy tiny, and each and every one of y'all mean everything to me. So I'm trying to get to a 100 subscriber, and then I'm going to do a giveaway. Basically, I'll explain the giveaway and everything when I get to 100 subscribers. 1 in 100 really is not that bad of a chance to win, so make sure you guys subscribe down below, and I'm definitely going to be doing that 100 subscriber giveaway. I'm very soon going to be there, hopefully. And yeah, so let's get into the video. If you're interested, keep watching. Alright, I'm losing it. Alright, so anyway, let's go ahead and hop into this bad boy. So this is the FABFITFUN box. I know you've all seen it. I'm super excited that I ended up getting one. So let me get something to open this. I know it's late, but because of the long story of why I ended up getting one, that's why I'm just now getting this. Like, I literally just got this on my front door, and it's January 10th today. January 10th. Yeah. So it's a long story that I'd rather not explain. So let's hop in. Hopefully people are still interested in seeing what December box has to offer. So that is a little quick overview of what I got inside. There's a little magazine on top, and it says FABFITFUN, and it's cute winter theme. So let's see what's happening. First thing on top here is America's #1 meal kit. It's a $90 gift card to HelloFresh. Nice. So that's that there. I've actually been wanting to try HelloFresh, so it's kind of weird that I got that gift card. But it's $90. I don't know what all that'll get me from HelloFresh, but that's kind of cool. We'll see how that goes. And then everything's wrapped super cute in this super cute like paper. So let me get into it. I already see something I'm so excited about on top. My friend got this on hers too, and I was like, I'm so jealous. It's nothing super exciting, but to me it is. It's the makeup eraser. Erase all makeup with just water. So I have a little mini version of this, and I don't use it often because it doesn't take care very much because it's so small, and I have to wash it all the time. So it's nice. I want to get a collection of these going, and it's so much better than towels for your face. So that would be nice. And it's in the color pink, which is clearly one of my favorite colors. And this is it here. They're so soft, and I just love it. It says, "Bye bye makeup wipes forever." So basically it's a movement to get rid of these super bad things for the environment, and it really works, but you just need a bunch of them, so because I go through these like crazy. So they're super soft. They wipe away your makeup with just water. It's fan-freaking-tastic. So I'm really excited about the makeup eraser. Alright. I'm just gonna grab what's on top and see what's here. Next is the Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler from Dry Bar. Dry Bar is a really good brand. But anyway, so this is that product here. Let's see what it says. Primes, preps, and detangles. So that makes sense. Formulated with biotin, vitamins B and C, and UV blockers. This lightweight detangler protects hair from heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and preps hair for optimal performance for styling products. So that's super awesome because it's a nice protectant to heat, which my hair needs all it can get because it's so fried all the time because I'm so bad to it and I'm always putting heat on it. So this will get tons and tons and tons of use as long as it's good. So we shall see. Next we have the LashesMD Eyelash Eyebrow Conditioner. Yes, ma'am. I'm about that. Get the look you always wanted. Alright, let me open it and see what's going on in here. I'm guessing you just put it on there and it conditions them. I don't know. Hold on one second. A little pamphlet. Use once a day at bedtime. Remove eye makeup with mild cleanser. Apply a thin line of LashesMD at the base of the upper and lower lashes as though applying eyeliner. Can also be applied to root for eyebrows. So I guess it's meant to just condition. I wonder if it helps with growth. Because that would be cool. So that's that there. Super cute. Let's open her up, see what the applicator's like. That's the applicator. Doesn't smell like anything. That's pretty cool. Next we got by Battington Lashes. So I'm guessing it's lashes. Super cute box. I'm about to drop this box everywhere. Hold on, y'all. This is the package. This is the packaging here. And that's what's inside. I love getting lashes. These look cute. The band looks kind of thick, so I'm not great with lashes. So the thinner the band, the better. But if all else fails, bat your lashes, it says right there on the bottom. That's so cute though. And I love the packaging. I am trying to get into eyelashes. If you're watching my previous videos, it's a learn in progress for me. So we will see just how these days go. I don't know where I went just now, but anyway, so. Alright, moving on. Little pack on top here. What is this? Guess what? You'll be naked in 1 minute. Oh, well, I know. You better buy me a drink first. This is original coffee scrub, 100% natural exfoliator for smoother, glowing skin. It's by Frank Body, I think. That's the packaging there. That's Frank Body. Lose the pants. You don't need them. Where we're going. Destination Babe Town. How to use. Get naked and get wet in the shower. Don't tell me how to live my life. You're talking dirty to me now, Frank. Massage scrub over your entire body. Reseal my waterproof bag. Keep me in the shower. Rinse your bod. Use 2 to 3 times per week for best results. That's cool. I'm not going to open it now because I don't know exactly what this is. So I'm going to look into it more. But I'm afraid that if I open it, I'll have to use it right away. I don't know. But that's that. It's a pretty hefty little bag too. So that's exciting. I love a good shower scrub. Next we got the... This is a dirty box. Cuccio? Hold on. I might have 2 lights going here. Let me try. Can y'all see me better? This is the Cuccio Somatology Yoga Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand Plus Body Wash. It's a daily cleansing ritual with lavender oil. A new cleansing ritual made to calm the senses, made with lavender oil, vitamin B5, and shea butter. Inhale, exhale. Calm plus clean Epsom salt hand and body wash gently cleanses without dehydrating the skin, using the finest ingredients. So that's cool. It's a body cleanser. Me like that. I'll put that in the shower. There's another little guy hiding in the corner here. This is the Kate Somerville. That's a good ass brand. Okay. Goat milk, moisturizing cream, condition and restore, revitalize, and God, if y'all know my skin right now, I need this. This is perfect. Growing up with eczema, my mom would put goat's milk in my bath. Use this cream daily to help replenish and nourish skin. Nice. Soothes and moisturize. Soothes and moisturize. AM and PM. Apply and even later clean skin. Clinically tested to be safe for sensitive skin. So that's that there. I'm excited. I don't own anything by Kate Somerville, I don't think, unless it's like a sample size, because it's a fairly pricey brand. So let's see. Next we have, this is cute. It looks like a little journal or a planner. 2020 is what it says. That's cool. Let me open this. This is so cute. I need to start planning out stuff better, so let me just get on this. I've been using my notes in my phone. It's just not sufficient. I'd rather write it down. So this is the planner here. Super cute. It's got this little gold band on it. Personal information. Oh, it's like notes. Oh, and a planner. I like how I just flipped to February and my day on accident. Like I just flipped. Y'all saw that. I flipped to February and my birthday. That's a little creepy. Am I right? But anyway. So I'm very excited to use this. I love this kind of stuff. So that's cool. It's gone, y'all. Nothing left. So let's count how many items we got. It's paper. This is not a good jacket to wear with this kind of paper. Alright, so we got 1, 2. Y'all hear my dog again? He's breathing like he's dying. 3, 4, 5. I guess the HelloFresh counts, right? 6, 7, 8. 8 products, right? Yeah. Now let's see if there's anything that mentions the price of all this stuff. Let's see. In every box, all members get these items in their box. Sorry, y'all, I'm reading on exactly how this works. It has a whole little description on how this works for the box. Like, you can customize this and that, this and that. So the Dry Bar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler is $23. The makeup eraser is $20. Kate Somerville Goat Milk is $65. Battington lashes are $32. LashesMD eyelash conditioner is $69.95. That's cray cray. You better work. You better work, girl. Planner is $27.95. Like, I ain't trying to be rude, but $27.95 I can get this at Target for $8, $10. You know what I mean? Like, no, that ain't no $27.95. No. The Cuccio was $39.95. The Frank Body Scrub is $16.95. And I guess my HelloFresh is just $90, so that makes, I guess that's part of it, I'm assuming. I'm back at you real quick. Like, I forgot because I threw this on the floor like a stupid, that this is probably the thing that's included in my 8 products, not the HelloFresh. So I think the HelloFresh is just an extra add-on. But I did include this in the pricing. Again, I'll have it all listed down below. I did include this in the pricing though when I told you guys all the pricing. I just forgot to include it when I was counting up all the products. Hope that makes sense. Anyway, thanks guys. Alright guys, so I calculated it up and it was $384 total with everything, and then $266 if you take off the HelloFresh and the ridiculously overpriced planner. I mean, this is super cute and we get a lot of use out of it, but there's no way this is almost $30. So if I take this off, it's $266 and the HelloFresh, because I'm not sure if that's like included or what. I mean, I guess it's part of it. I don't know. But anyway, so $266 is still great value because I paid, I think this is $50 a month or $55 a month. I'm not sure. I'll have it linked, or I'll have it in the description box, just how much I paid, and then I'll also put the pricing of everything. I'll have this all listed down below. So I think it's a great box, but I also get really good BoxyCharm boxes for about the same price every 3 months, so every quarter as well. So yeah, I'm kind of up in the air because I think it's great. Like, I love it, but you know what will make it worth it? Now that, since this was like accidental, I didn't get to modify anything. The options that you get in this box are really good. Like this cute beanie, this awesome blanket. I love blankets. Shampoo, conditioner, a candle. These slippers is what I wanted really badly. Let's see. There's a shower speaker here. This necklace, Swarovski, I can never say it, necklace. An eyeshadow palette. There's a cross-body bag. Soft focus glow drops. Let's see. There's a color switch, which I don't need. Thirsty hands. Anyway, so there's tons of options, and I'm sure that if I decided to stick with this, I can go in there and modify stuff, because my friend went in there and modified, and that's how she got the slippers and the blanket, I think. So that's what I really wanted out of it, was the slipper and the blankets. But slippers and the blankets. So like, I kind of want to keep it because it's different than BoxyCharm, whereas BoxyCharm is all beauty and skin. So where this is, I get like lifestyle stuff too. So I'm like kind of up in the air about it, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. Is this something you would keep? I'm not really sure because I already do BoxyCharm and I'm committed to BoxyCharm, and I love BoxyCharm, especially their Luxe. So anyway, my mac and cheese is going to overboil, so I need to go. But I thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you give it a big old thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe. Help your girl out. We're gonna do a 100 subscriber giveaway. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video, guys. Thanks. Bye.